Good morning, students. Let us continue our same chapter, reproduction in animals, with a new topic, process of fertilization in human being. In human beings, sexual reproduction occurs, in which reproduction results from the fusion of male and female gametes. Dear students, as you know, male reproductive organs are a pair of testes. So these are pair of testes. This is a sperm duct and this is a penis. Dear students, these testes produce million of sperms on each day. The sperms are very small in size. Each sperm has had a middle part called middle piece and elongated structure called tail. Each sperm is a single cell with all the usual cell components. Now, female reproductive organs are a pair of ovaries. Dear students, these structures are ovaries. It also includes oviduct. This is a oviduct and this is a uterus. This ovary produce female gamete called ovum or egg. In human beings, a single mature egg is released into the oviduct. After release from the ovary, eggs comes into the oviduct or fallopian tube. Like sperm, egg is also a single cell. So this is a ova or egg. This is the cytoplasm and this is the nucleus that contain inside the ovum. Now the first step in the process of reproduction is the fusion of male and female gametes. This is the male gametes and this is the female gametes. Both the gametes meet with each other and the process is known as fertilization. Dear students, million of sperms from the male, 1, 2, 3, these are the 3 sperms. But in reproduction, million of sperms from the males are transformed into the female body. The sperm swims in the oviduct with the help of their tails to reach the egg. When they come in contact with the egg, only one of the sperm get fused with the ovum. And such a fusion is known as fertilization. Now, during fertilization, the nucleus of the egg and the sperm fuses with each other to form a structure called zygote. This zygote develops into a structure called embryo. Dear student, as we know, embryo is the structure where all the body parts are not identified. But after embryo, there is also produced a structure in which all the body parts are identified and the structure is known as fetus. Thus, embryo gives rise to fetus. Dear student, this is a zygote. Male and female gametes after fusion form zygote. This zygote get their path into the uterus. Here the zygote embedded into the female uterus to form the fetus. So this is the ball of the cell that after some time produces into zygote. So it is the uterus where the development of the baby takes place. So dear students, it is the uterus. Here whole of the development and nourishment that is reached to the baby through the uterus. So uterus is the part where the development of the baby takes place. So this is how we finish our topic fertilization in human beings. I hope you understood it. Thank you.